It's noisy in my house. So today, we're going to take and replace that desk with one that this guy built. He's got all the heavy power tools. I'm filming while he's trying to work. So today, yeah, we are going to take my cute little office space here and make a desk that is, let me turn it around for a minute. So, this is my current desk, and it's awesome, and it's been working wonderfully. But we're wanting to do where it's combined, where we're going to have the desk and the printer together. So, Matt, as awesome as he is going to build me a desk that will function and where it's going to have a laptop and a desktop, because I actually do need both at one time. And it's going to have the printer, and it's going to have a shelf for the paper, and then this white unit's going to be under it for all of my supplies. And then we're going to, that's already been scooted over. You already scooted over by yourself? Was that not heavy? He's awesome. And then we're going to have that, and we're going to turn it so that the tray is not like out towards my trays where I keep my papers and things. And the flowers will go back on the filing cabinet. But yeah, so that's our day today. So Matt's got the tools outside. He's getting ready to set up. And then while he starts setting up before he needs me, clear this desk off. Just like that, this area is completely cleaned out, so all we'll have to do is move my desk, and that was actually there before we moved my office in here. Something got scrubbed over here, it's okay. So we're going to move my desk out, check that again, and then when we get done building the other desk, it will come in right here. After 4 hours of work, it is finished. So I have a functional office now. The only thing I have not moved back over here is the laptop, and then I have a little trash can that I'll keep over here. And then my chair is not moved back over here yet. But I have a tray for all of my things, my little sorty things, paper clips, binder clips, 3x5 cards, more really big binder clips, markers for my calendar, which is not up yet because the next thing that we'll do once I get a lap or a desktop, which is in our budget to do, it's just not done yet. So the only thing we haven't finished yet is we are going to put a screen board up right here, and then we're going to mount it, but we're not doing that yet until we know how big the screen's going to be. And then my laptop is not over here yet because it's we just were slowly moving stuff back in over here. My tray for my papers, all my ideas for videos, and my advertising things, some spool paper for the girls' printer. And so now I have room for the tray to come out. I think it comes out one more time, may not. All the way over here. And then I have a shelf for, this is my new bag that was given to me that I'm going to use for travel because it would hold like a carry-on with the clothes in there and a laptop and everything I would need for like a day travel. So that's going to be my new business one. My BPA one's there, and then there's an extra one there, the papers for the printer there. And so it's, and then we're also going to take the, power strip and mount it to the desk, and then we'll be done. But this guy did it all the work for me. You're awesome. So that's it. It's all finished.